In this video, I will show you how to make Snickers Energy Balls. Here I'm using a food processor, and you just add the dates and the oatmeal. Add the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. And the 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. You put on the lid on the food processor, and then you just start with the pulse function. So just pulse it a few times, and then you can just blend. And just continue to blend until it all gets combined. And if you try to put it in your hand and see if you can make or shape it into a ball, and it still gets stuck together, then it's all right. So now it's time to shape the balls, and for this I use this tablespoon measurement, and see, I just roll the dough in my hands. And just finish the dough until there is nothing left. You need to chop the peanuts into small pieces. Just use a sharp knife and be careful not to cut yourself. When you're done with that, you can just roll the Snickers balls into the peanuts, and see, just roll it a little bit, then it will get stuck. And you need to do this to every one of them. So now comes the best part. This is when we serve it and taste it. So just put them in a little bowl or something. This one is from IKEA. Now let's have a taste. This is how they look like inside. You can see everything is finally come together. Very easy to make, and I hope you will give it a try. Thank you for watching.